Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access. To not fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut app and you will click. After that you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.